To decrease miscommunications, it's important to speak clearly, remove assumptions, and check in with the person to ensure understanding. When communicating electronically, be clear, concise, and informative. Being a good listener can also help prevent miscommunications. Before speaking, take a moment to think about your words and organize your thoughts. Keep your focus narrow and avoid getting off topic. If you have trouble expressing yourself, write down bullet points to ensure you cover everything. Before speaking, pause intentionally to compose your thoughts. It is essential to have the person's attention when communicating, so make eye contact and ask for their full attention. Avoid calling out or yelling at people for attention, and opt for face-to-face communication when possible. Check your assumptions and clarify anything that may be unclear. Be courteous, honest, and kind in your communication, avoiding sarcasm and passive-aggressive remarks. Check for understanding by asking if things make sense or if there are any questions. Follow up with the person to ensure clarity and address any confusion. Pay attention to body language as it can provide important cues. Listen closely and actively engage with the speaker, avoiding interruptions. If something is unclear, ask questions for clarification.